Okay, welcome to Bangla Corporation. This is our softy machine. It is named as BM18, and now we will show you how we are going to wash the thing. So now we will start the machine. There is the switch where you have to start that. This is the switch where the machine starts. Now we will do the washing process. See, this is how we do the washing process. We will put some water in it to clean the machine. Okay. Now this machine, this is the button which we are going to press for washing. See, this is the process. We started the machine for washing, right? You can see there all the waters inside, and it is washing. See, the thing written here, which is written cleaning, it is cleaning the machine. Okay, now we will remove the water from that. See, this is all the water comes and cleans all the part of the machine from inside. All the water is out. So now the washing of this machine is over. So we will stop the machine. Here the machine stops by pressing this button. There is stop written on it. So this is the pre-mixed flavor of chocolate which we made before. Okay sir. So this would be poured inside it. I'll show you how it is being poured. We will fill the one bowl with chocolate which is been pre-mixed by us. This is how it looks when we fill it. We will make a mango flavor and show you how it is made. This is being filled by the chocolate flavor. You can see it's all liquid. It would be freezed in a while. Okay, this is the mixing of a mango flavor. We will pour milk first. So this is a mix of 4 liter with 1 kg pre-mix, which you can see there. This is a pre-mix packet. This is the pre-mix flavor of mango, which will come with the machine, right? And this is the milk poured in the mixture. Now the premix flavor is being mixed. This is the flavor. This is the mixture, how we mix it. This is the flavor and milk mixing. You can do it with 2-3 things. One would be the jar which the guy is using right now. Another one would be the mixture, the blender which we will give you with it. The mixture is getting ready. Okay, now this pre-mixed flavor is been mixed with milk. This is how it looks. Now it will be poured in the second bowl. we'll show you how it is being poured. Okay, this was the chocolate jar and this is the orange mango jar. This is being filled with the mango flavor. Okay, the flavor is already been put in, and now we'll close this lid. We'll close both the lids and we'll make it freeze now. The lids are getting ready. Okay, now we'll put the lids. This is being closed by the lids. Chocolate is being closed. Now the mango flavor will be closed. So both the flavors are being covered right now. Now we'll do the freezing process. Okay, now this machine is being washed by the flavors. See, this is the button which is being pressed by our technician. Now the flavor is being mixed inside, so the machine gets proper flavored, right? Within 5 seconds you have to stop that machine washing, and now you can start the freezing process, which this button which our technician is pressing is for the freezing, right? This started the freezing of this machine, started the freezing process of the flavors which we mixed and added in it. So this is the process how it gets freezed. This is the machine. I'll show you again. This is the whole machine. I'll show you from sideways also. This is the machine, right? And now I'll show you when it's freezing. I'll show you the cone dispenser also. Okay, now we are filling the cone with chocolate. Our technician is filling the chocolate. See, this is how it is being filled. See, this is the ice cream. Yes. See, it doesn't fall. Let me show you. Let me show you this. Right? It doesn't fall at all. This is the thickness of this cone. Right? Now we'll show you. Now we'll show you the mango flavor, which is being taken out by our technician. See, this is how the mango flavor is being filled. This also don't drop. It's been a thick ice cream. It tastes very good. Okay, now we are filling the mixed flavor, chocolate and mango. This is how our technician fills that. See, the knob is been pulled and the flavor comes out. This is the chocolate and mango mixed flavor, which is the speciality of it. You can see. These are the three flavors. These are the three flavors which are being removed from this, and I showed you how it is being removed. Thank you.